Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will discuss about how to write an amazing text like here. Just in my about story here, amazing stuff. So hi, I wrote this. So I will back from here and go to Google, and I will come here where you can write your bio and name, etc., in your own style. So I will type here amazing stuff, and I will apply another style here. So I had copy this one, and now I am going to, you will see like this amazing stuff. So I will click here and drag here and will copy here, and then come to my Insta, and here I will edit profile, and I will remove the old stuff and copy. I will hold the finger on the screen, so the paste option will appear. Okay, so I will paste here. Look at this amazing stuff and amazing style, and go back. Look at the style, and look at the font style, amazing stuff. So you can come here and copy what you want, what stuff sorry, what stuff, not what stuff, what font you want to apply here. So you can copy from here all the design you want. So enjoyed it.